Okay, what's good, guys? Today we're just gonna go to mines, check out the new update, because there are like little lava rocks and they spawn in mines now. So you don't have to what is it? Go to the lava place with all the fishies again. So right now let's go. Oh wait, no, I already have a backpack. I'm just gonna eat this. All right. So while we're going, I just wanna do a little announce. Basically, I will be posting every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Basically, almost every weekend. I have not posted in a very long time, just because I have been focusing on school and all, schoolwork and all that stuff. So I might not be posting that much throughout the week, and sometimes maybe not Fridays too. Oh my god! Oh my god, that was so annoying. But yeah, sometimes I can't do Fridays, but most of the time I will be doing it. So just to give a heads up. Oh my god! I'm considering if I should bring my grappler or not. But it is pretty light up here. Oh well. Actually, no, I'll bring this because I want to bring this just to make the video quality a little bit better, because you guys don't want to see darkness the whole time. So I'll just bring this to make the video quality a little bit smoother and better. Yeah, that's the only reason why I bring the glow stick thing. Oh wow, it's so dark. Just place my pickaxe in a safe spot, like right here, because I do not want to go and get it back. Alright, let's get as much lava blocks or cinder blocks as we can. But this new update is really kind of annoying, just because it everything is covered in lava and it's so hard to get around. But that's made me think, will they revamp the maps and stuff? Because you know, the lava like destroys everything. I wonder if they will revamp the maps. Because honestly, I think they would. This real quick. We're gonna do this into our bag. It is pretty full, so that we can go. So I think right here is string. Yup. And there are a bunch of lava blocks here. Alright, we're gonna go into this bag almost completely full, and then we'll see how much money we can make off of it. I do already have a full backpack of cinder blocks from my stash, but I'm just gonna save that for a critical moment, you know, when I literally need but I don't have, so broke. But yeah, that's just literally the reason why. Oh my god! I'm so dumb. Hopefully the spider doesn't come out, because that will be kind of a hard time. And they did change the way what is it? Gravity works. So right now, usually when you have a lot of stuff on you, you're like moving like, and your arms move back, but now you can't move very fast. That's all. So I kind of like that, because it's kind of helpful. but I also don't like it at the same time because it is. I just like the OG better. But yeah. Right here. Hopefully no one joins me, because if they do, it's gonna be a heck of a time. After I get about these 4 right here, we might go back and sell these. Just because I think my backpack is about to get really full. One thing I hate about this is so hard to climb. And this thing is really heavy, because if I fill this, my whole entire backpack with sticks, it would not be that heavy. I'm just gonna climb up here and grab it real quick. Oh my god. And then, yeah. Our bag is now completely full. Now all we need to do is find our way back. Woo! Ow! Oh, no, no. I hate this already. I think this is the way back. I think. Yeah, this is the way back. Oh my god, bro. I'm so heavy. I should have brought my hoverboard so I'm not that heavy. Oh, the spider. The spider is quite annoying. He sees me. Oh my god. Alright guys, now that we're back, we can go sell this. Oh my gosh, I'm so heavy. Look how heavy I am. I think that's it, and then we can just press the buttons. Let's see how much we got. Let's say about 10,000. A little bit over 10,000. Nice. Ooh, slippery. But yeah guys, today's run was very successful. I had such a fun time, and like I said, I will be posting every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yeah, that's basically it for the video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hit that like and subscribe button. It would really help me out on my journey to hit 200 subs. And yeah, see you on the next video, guys.